sudden the tire gets fucking blown right off the machine. Their cooler goes flying, all their fucking shit goes all over the place. It's like, oh my god. Oh yeah, it's just nice and flat up here. Oh, there's a cross.
Turn around, yay! I was like, oh, we're gonna get out of here. Somebody died up here.
That's what I said, there's a cross.
Oh my lord. Stop and look at it.
Okay.
Yeah, I gotta get some pictures.
Beer break. Oh my.
What are you talking about, beer break? You're driving. Oh.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Holy shit dinger. Mark Williamson, rest in peace. And they even got a light up here. Guys, so I'll show you over there what's in Cheryl's teardrop trailer. But these resettable breakers, you've seen me use them in mine. This is a 300 amp one, but she has a 40 amp one. So it goes from her battery to a 40 amp one, and from there it heads up to her 12 volt distribution panel, the one that's with the electrical panel. And she's found that sometimes it's tripped. Now, the thing is, they placed it in the compartment, and I guess it's for ease of resetting, but from outside storage, so she's got a little door that she can put her lawn chair in and stuff like that. Well, the thing is, mounted right on the back wall, facing the door. So when she goes to pile stuff in there, there's a darn good chance she could actually hit that little trip button there and trip it. So I actually, I made something. So, this, believe it or not, other than the bolts, I had everything else. But this plate was just an aluminum plate. I've got about 4 more of them. When I had that, do you remember when I had the carrier on the front of my truck where my e-bike was? Well, it was all bolted together with these plates around. I thought, wow, aluminum plates. So I kept 4 of them in this box, this tote. Well, guess what? I'm actually using one today. So you'll see when it's done what it's going to look like. And the holes there, yes, one that can be tripped, and then the other one's for resetting. But you'll see that later. Anyways, I'm just going to pack up the rest of my tools here and head over.
Just in case. weird screws in this thing. You know, there's always something to either fix or clean or, you know, something.
Well, for me, it's every day is clean.
I know,
Because
me
the very next day, it looks like I haven't touched it.
Like today, I swept and I tried to vacuum, but I think I busted my vacuum.
Oh, that was a silly thing to do.
I think I broke it because of all the dust that's in it. I think it got in the motor. Stop barking at him. Huh?
He says when I don't see him anymore. Okay, guys. There's our 6-volt AGM batteries. See right there? Look at that that crystalline right there. That I don't like. So what we're gonna do
My water cup.
is, I'm assuming, there's that breaker that I was talking about
Here,
before.
I'll turn this fan up for you too.
And so, yeah, obviously it's storage, so anything moves in here,
Better?
pushes, trips. I'm assuming one of these fuses here is coming from your solar panel. So I'm
You
going
want me to open that compartment so you can see better?
That actually, I was kind of thinking about that. Do I not have my meters? Oh,
Yeah, it's for this stuff.
yeah, that's exactly it. I thought I brought them in. I'm thinking. Okay, I'm gonna check the voltage here. 12.28 volts. So the only thing is the solar that's on. Pull that fuse out. 12.28, so it's not that one. And how about that one then? They're both 30 amp fuses.
Stop! Stop already.
I say, how do we drop that much voltage? Yeah, there we go. See, I pulled that one fuse out, so that disconnects your solar charge controller. And now,
Wait, what are you doing?
no, I pulled the fuse. I assumed,
These are fuses right here?
yeah, they're right there.
Alright.
So I assumed one of them was your solar charge controller.
Okay.
That little nice little blue box. So as soon as you were sitting at 12.28, almost 12.29. Now you're 12.08. So you've already went down, like, you know what I mean? Since I unplugged it. So I know that's your solar charge controller. So this wire here is your solar charge controller. So it should almost label that.
Your pad for your knees?
Yeah, I have it right here actually. I bring a lot of things and then don't use them.
Here it is. It's right here.
Yeah, thank you. My lost found pad. Okay, so that guy right there is a solar charge controller. Okay.
You're out of water already. I swear these dogs drink gallons of water a day.
Oh yeah, in this temperature they sure would. No, because I'm disconnecting the batteries.
Okay.
But I'm going to have to take this cover back off again here.
Okay.
Alrighty, we got the two 6-volt batteries in the back of the truck, and oh, there's Fritz. Okay, yes, thank you.
Fitz! Don't bark.
Okay, we're gonna go to Discount Solar here and see what's going on. Oh man, it's getting warm again, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Shunt. Whoa. Perfect timing, Jage. Okay, we got the shunt. Okay, I'm going to slip back and grab my charger,
Okay.
and I'm going to grab. What else was I going to grab? Okay, guys, I'm going to mount this shunt in here, so it fits exactly where those two AGM batteries we took out came from. So I pulled the negative out from the battery compartment here, and the positive is going to go on there. And I'm actually going to put the shunt in the back here. They'll think there's lots of room back there for it, and she doesn't have to see it, so it can sit back there. Hell, it could sit right there too.
Can I get you a cup of water or anything?
I grabbed some water when I was back at the camper, thanks.
Oh, okay.
I almost forgot to take a video here, guys. There's the battery. And you can see the shunt right down in there. And then I forgot to show you the final product of my thing I built to protect the breaker, but we can do that from the outside.
Yeah.
I forgot. We're putting the pieces back together. You're getting all excited to put this thing back together.
Enough.
Okay, we got everything working, guys. Test, yep. So there's that. Can you see that right there? That bracket I made there. So now she can put her stuff in here and throw it in the back there, and not hit that little breaker and trip it. So yeah, that mounted all good. All right, another happy customer. Whoop. All right.
Yes, he's a miracle worker.
That is Cheryl back there. I don't think we were ever introduced before.
Hi.
No, you have to go that way a little bit. You're right in the sun.
Oh, okay.
There we go. Now turn around. There's Cheryl.
JJ is the best.
That's her little teardrop. It's a nice little camper. Anyways, oh yeah, you would have saw me on the video there. You're going to see that I was working on her generator. That's it there, the Honda. I got about a 30-second video of me working on that thing. So yeah, anyways, the only thing I haven't had to work on yet is a Northern Light camper.
Yeah.
All right, later guys. Well there guys, there's just another example about which way you park. So far there's about 10 side-by-sides that have been going by, and the dust is all heading in the opposite direction of me. Holy crap load. Okay, we're probably up to 20 side-by-sides now. And they're still coming. We're still way over there. You can see the dust around the corner. And I didn't even start recording for about a good 15 seconds after the first one went by, so yeah. That poor lady there that's parked on the other side there, you see me go by her van very slow. That's only about 10 feet off the road. This is what she's got to deal with for the next 5 minutes. Ugh. Yeah, this is why you park, you pay attention to which direction the wind's going. And that guy might be the last guy. There had to have been, I'm not even joking, there had to have been, I'm thinking at least 30 to 40 side-by-sides. Yeah, he was the last one. Oh my gosh, those people that are all parked on that side of the road. Oh. That's the side they picked. Wow, holy bajoli. It's raining. How much it's going to rain? Just one dark cloud over top of us right now, and it's actually heading right across, so probably not that much. Boy, does that ever smell good though. Wow. Very cool. Oh, the side-by-side is getting a little bit of a wash. I think it needs a downpour if it wants to clean any better than that. Oh, wow, what a smell. Are you able to tell the difference right there? Right where the awning stops it? Cool. I was on the other side of the camper. And I'm thinking, what the heck's that sound? And all of a sudden, then I felt it. I went, holy shit. What the fuck is that? All right, guys. So sorry about not putting a video last week. I've just been swamped, and I've been trying to get out and do more things. And you would have saw I took Cheryl for a ride in the side by side. I took Kathy for a ride in the side by side. So yeah, no, the weather's been really good for that right now. And then I gotta get this place cleaned up. Look at this, what a mess. And then the truck camper rally. So I'm going to upload this video that you're going to be watching, and then I'm going to get ready to go to the truck camper rally, spend about 5 days there. I think it's a 5 day long, and then come back here. So then Beth, you would have met Beth, geez, it's got to be a month and a half ago now. The lady that I was at a harvest host, and she had a problem with the vent on the back of her camper on her C-Class, so she's going to meet up after the truck camper rally. So I'm coming back to this spot here. So the girls down there are going to be saving this spot, so I'm able to come back. But yeah, so we'll see how that goes. I think she needs some work done on that C-Class. Hopefully it's not too much work, but we'll see. So anyways, guys, as always, be good, be kind, be careful, and we'll talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.
I think it's time for me to go and burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way.